Welcome on board. This is SPOTO channel. In today's digital era, networking is the backbone of the global economy, with a growing demand for skilled IT professionals. Obtaining a certification in networking can significantly enhance one's career prospects. One of the most recognized certifications in the field is the Cisco Certified Network Associate (CCNA) credential. This video provides a thorough introduction to the CCNA exam, covering what CCNA is, its exam format, global salary expectations for certified professionals, job opportunities, preparation strategies for 2025, and how SPOTO education can assist candidates in achieving their certification goals. First, what is CCNA? CCNA, an acronym for Cisco Certified Network Associate, is a foundational certification offered by Cisco Systems. It is designed to validate the knowledge and skills necessary for networking professionals. The CCNA certification focuses on several key areas, including network fundamentals, IP connectivity, security fundamentals, automation and programmability, and more recently, includes an emphasis on the Internet of Things, IoT. The CCNA certification is intended for individuals seeking to establish a career in networking and is a prerequisite for higher-level Cisco certifications, such as CCNP Cisco Certified Network Professional. Holding a CCNA certification demonstrates to employers that the candidate possesses a solid understanding of networking concepts and technologies, making it a valuable asset in today's job market. Let's move to the exam format. As of 2025, the CCNA exam format consists of a single comprehensive exam, 200 to 301 CCNA, that covers a wide range of topics essential for networking professionals. The exam is designed to assess one's ability to install, configure, operate, and troubleshoot networks. Here are the key components of the CCNA exam format. Duration: candidates have 120 minutes to complete the exam, which tests not only knowledge but also the ability to apply that knowledge in practical scenarios. Question types: the exam includes various question formats, such as multiple-choice questions, drag-and-drop questions, simulation questions that require candidates to configure networking devices, and test-like questions. Passing score: while Cisco does not disclose the passing score, it typically ranges between 800 and 850 out of 1,000 points. Each exam is unique, and candidates are scored based on the difficulty of the questions they encounter. Availability: the exam is available globally, and candidates can choose to take it in person at a Pearson VUE testing center or online through a proctored exam. Registration: candidates must register through the Pearson VUE website, where they can schedule their exam and pay the required fee, which is usually around $300. By preparing thoroughly for the exam format, candidates can enhance their chances of passing on the first attempt. For the third part, let's go through salary expectations around the world. One of the significant motivations for pursuing the CCNA certification is the salary potential that comes with it. Network professionals with CCNA certification can expect to earn competitive salaries that vary by region and level of experience. Here's some average salary figures for CCNA certified professionals around the world. United States: the average salary for a CCNA certified professional is approximately $80,000 to $100,000 per year, depending on experience and geographic location. Entry-level positions can start at around $50,000, while experienced professionals can earn upwards of $120,000. Europe: in countries like Germany and the UK, CCNA professionals can expect to earn between €40,000 to €70,000 annually. In countries like France and Italy, salaries may be slightly lower, averaging €35,000 to €55,000. India: the salary range for CCNA certified professionals is relatively modest compared to Western countries, with an average salary ranging from $300,000 to $800,000 per year. Australia: the average salary for CCNA professionals in Australia ranges from AUD 70,000 to AUD 100,000. depending on experience and specific job roles. These figures highlight the lucrative nature of networking careers and the value that a CCNA certification can bring to professionals globally. Next is job opportunities. The job market for CCNA certified professionals is robust and diverse, with organizations increasingly investing in their IT infrastructure. The demand for network associates continues to grow. Some common job titles for CCNA holders include Network Administrator, responsible for managing and maintaining an organization's computer networks, ensuring their reliability and security. Network Engineer involves designing, implementing, and troubleshooting network systems within an organization. A Support Specialist provides technical assistance and support for hardware and software issues. System Administrator manages an organization's IT systems and ensures that hardware, software, and networks function efficiently. Security Consultant focuses on implementing security measures to protect an organization's data and network infrastructure. These job roles not only vary in responsibility, but also in their salary potential, with greater experience leading to more advanced positions. Additionally, many organizations view CCNA certification as a stepping stone towards more specialized roles within networking and security. Most of you are interested in how to prepare for the CCNA exam in 2025. Preparing for the CCNA exam requires a strategic approach, especially given the evolving landscape of technology and networking. Here are some effective preparation strategies for candidates intending to take the CCNA exam in 2025. Understand the exam objectives. Familiarizing oneself with the exam topics outlined by Cisco is crucial. The exam blueprint provides a clear indication of what to expect and ensures that candidates focus on the relevant areas. Study materials. Utilize Cisco's official study resources, including the CCNA official SAT guide, online courses, and practice exams. Books and video lectures that cover fundamental networking concepts can also be beneficial. Hands-on experience. Practical experience is essential. Setting up a home lab, using physical routers and switches, or leveraging simulators like Cisco Packet Tracer can enhance understanding by allowing candidates to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. Join study groups. Collaborating with others preparing for the CCNA exam can provide motivation and diverse perspectives. Study groups can facilitate discussions, clarify doubts, and foster a deeper understanding of complex topics. Take practice tests. Regularly testing one's knowledge with practice exams helps identify strengths and weaknesses. Practice tests also familiarize candidates with the exam format, reducing anxiety on the actual exam day. Time management. Allocate specific time blocks for studying to ensure consistent progress. Create a study schedule that balances theory, practical exercises, and revision. Let's see how SPOTO can help. SPOTO Education is a renowned institution that specializes in IT certification training, notably for Cisco certifications like CCNA. Here's how SPOTO can help candidates prepare effectively. Comprehensive courses. SPOTO offers targeted courses that comprehensively cover all CCNA exam topics, using expert instructors who simplify complex concepts and provide insights based on industry experience. Real-world scenarios. The curriculum is designed to include practical lab exercises that mirror real-world networking challenges. This hands-on approach enhances understanding and develops problem-solving skills. Practice exams and mock tests. SPOTO provides abundant practice exams and simulated tests that mirror the actual CCNA exam format, allowing candidates to gain confidence in taking flexibility. The online nature of SPOTO's courses allows candidates to study at their own pace, fitting learning into their schedules while maintaining work or personal commitments. Community support. Joining SPOTO connects candidates to a community of like-minded individuals. This network can provide additional motivation, resources, and support. Conclusion. The Cisco Certified Network Associate CCNA certification is a vital credential for anyone looking to build a career in networking. With an exam that tests essential skills for managing and troubleshooting networks, CCNA certification is widely respected and can lead to lucrative job opportunities around the globe. By adopting structured preparation strategies and leveraging resources like SPOTO education, candidates can enhance their readiness for the CCNA exam in 2025. As networking continues to evolve, acquiring the CCNA certification not only equips professionals with foundational knowledge, but also opens doors to a rewarding and dynamic career path in IT.